So in this video, I'm going to go through and just kind of prove to you why I believe support and resistance is a bit of a dangerous thing to be using in your trading. So I'm on the pound dollar here, daily chart. I'm literally going to place some random lines. Okay, so I'll even line one up there for you, but I'll go a bit further back and just completely blank space and just placing really random lines here. And I'll do the same thing up here. Okay, so, I didn't draw onto this low. I didn't mean to draw onto this high. I just clicked randomly on the chart. Similarly, I didn't mean to click anywhere with this one. This one happened to touch along there. But let's get back to the chart. This is where it gets really interesting now. So I place some random lines on the chart. And oh, look, price touched it. Oh, look, price touched it here and broke through, and price almost hit its head. It bounced several times. Oh, look, the random lines that I've drawn here happen to have worked out. And would you believe it? Price has also bounced off this one. A bit further over here, look, price has stamped its feet a couple of times, hit its head. There's no way something that random, and look, I didn't even draw this line, and this is a random line drawn in. Let me zoom out. I just placed this, dragging it down the screen. I had no idea what was there, but apparently price bounced off of it. So look, there's no way that long-term support and resistance levels can work if it's that random. If I can draw these random lines here with no idea what they're touching, and then they happen to have touched back over here somewhere, that tells you straight away that support and resistance over the long term is an absolute joke. All right, because this was a completely random line at 1.38, and it happened to have bounced off of it. Basically, it means you can find these support and resistance levels anywhere, and they don't really give you a true edge. They just make you think that you've got an edge in the market. Just to prove it's not some kind of a fluke, let's zoom into the right-hand side of the chart again. Let's just squeeze it up a little bit and get rid of those lines. So I'll just lose those. Pick a different currency pair. Let's say, I don't know, gold. Okay, I'll do a similar thing again. So let's just draw one line on first of all, and I'll just literally spacing these out at random. I'll put that one there for you. I'll go underneath it as well. Let's squeeze it up and go up further. Okay, completely random lines. Now, if we go back through this chart and have a look, let's put it back at a level we can actually see. Oh, look, price hit its head a couple of times along here. Oh, it stamped its feet there twice. Oh, look, that's a half decent level of resistance through there. Oh, I happen to have picked the top of the market with that lucky one. Over here, you can see hit its head, stamped its feet, hit its head. This thing must work. Oh, look, I picked the turning point again and again from a completely random line. Oh, I picked that turning point too. So you can see straight away that support and resistance is completely random. All these lines were drawn with no idea what was happening beforehand. I'm getting stuff bounce off here from 2014. I could keep going back. Oh, look, I picked a level out from the beginning of 2014, a level out from 2013. This stuff must work. Go back. Oh, I happen to have found a level here that was 2011. Or 2010 even, in some cases back here. That's completely random. I had no reason to draw it there. I just drew random lines on the chart. I happen to have picked turning points with ease. So the point is that support and resistance, again, is purely random in the markets over the very long term. And if you look at the short term, support and resistance can work in the very short term, but longer term like this, you see people drawing lines everywhere. It's absolutely pointless. The only thing that really matters is the price itself. All right, not a specific line. Oh, it's touched there, it's going to bounce again. It's all about reading what the price is doing. Okay, reading what the price is doing in relation to previous price action. So hopefully you found this video eye-opening at least. If you're married to support and resistance, I implore you to stop now. the only reason you should ever look at support and resistance is to figure out where other people are getting stopped out, to figure out where other people are getting caught out on their trades. You shouldn't be looking at it for any other reason at all. And even then, you should only ever be looking for support and resistance in the very short term, because the long-term stuff that I just drew, I just proved to you it's completely random. Okay, I'll be in touch with you in a few days, guys, with another video as well, with some more interesting stuff for you to bear in mind. In the meantime, stay safe in the markets and good luck with your trading.